Okay, we are back on now, mashallah. Excellent. We're just making it a bit more darker. Okay. Just put the thumbs on as a position special. Okay. Okay, folks, I'm sorry, but this is not exactly a very scientific way of doing it. I mean, I'm supposed to really ask if I use a board version of the compass, but I don't have one here with me, so I'm improvising. Okay, that's as circular as I can get it for the moment. I'm going to need your help when I actually do the next part of the question. Now, x plus y equals 2. Okay, does anybody know what that special type of straight line question looks like? X plus y equals 2 is a special line that goes from here to here. Okay. X plus y is equal to 2. So for that, I'm going to use the ruler. X plus y equals 2. So it goes through y equals 2 and x. That's a special type of, that's a special family of y equations where the x at the y is equal to 2. This here is a, folks, for those of you who haven't seen this equation before, it is just a variation of your y equals mx plus c. I'll show you what it looks like really. I'll show you here. So x plus y is equal to 2. If I want to make y the subject, opposite of add x is so plus 2. Okay, sorry about that. Do laddie there. Opposite the add x is, and the plus 2 says is plus 2. So this line here is actually, if you look at it in the old school way, like a y graph, y equals something. It is really a y equals minus x plus 2 graph. It's just been rewritten like that. Okay, so this here is a rewritten version of this original y equals mx plus c graph. Okay, so if you wanted to plot this graph, you could rearrange this equation first and then work out two values and plot the line. Alright, but at the moment we know whenever x at y equals a number, that number 2 will be on the y and that number 2 will be on x, and you draw a line straight through it. So if I said equal to 3, then it will be between 3 and 3. If I said 1, it will be between 1 and 1. Straight line. Okay? Now, the question says here now, by drawing the line x plus y equals 2 on the grid, solve the equation. We've got to solve this. So what were you looking for then? I've got the circle, well, my kind of circle, top or down version. And we've got the straight line, which is a straight line. Which points are we looking for now, Idris, you reckon? We're looking for the points where those two lines meet. Here and here. So what we do, we go across and we come down to give us that point's corresponding x value, x1, y1, and from here we go up x1 and y1. Okay, I'm not going to use my graph on the board to work that out. I'm going to come and use one of yours because yours is accurate. Mine is poppadom circle. Okay, those lines haven't come up to the ones I just drawn over it. Read them off from the that one is there across the thingy. Give me the values. Come on.
Minus 9.
These ones. I want to see some working out. Put a circle there. I want to see the line going across and coming down with the ruler. Ruler, come on. Do it properly, please, folks. Do it properly. The way I've just shown you. It hasn't come on the video. I'll do it again. Sorry about that, folks. Draw a line from there straight across. Draw a line from there straight down. From the point of intersection of this straight line with the circle. And that will give you here x1 and y1. For the coordinates of the first solution, and from this point of intersection where the blue line cuts the circle, you get another set of values. This we call this x2, and we go across over here, and that gives you y2. I'm not even going to try to read it from my graph here because mine was a hand-drawn circle. I'm going to come around and look at your circles, and then you have to give me the answers. At the moment, let's put the values in. Right, x1. Let's have Afira, can you read me your x1 value?
Minus 0.9.
Minus 0.9 is this value here. Minus 0.1 x1. What's your y1?
Minus 2.9.
No, plus 2.9.
Plus 2.9.
2.9, excellent. And what do we get for the x2 value?
2.9.
2.9. And what do we get for the y value?
2.9.
No, this will be 0.9, isn't it? Minus 0.9 now.
Yeah.
Minus 0.9, yeah? Okay, there we go. Is that what you got, Idris?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm writing the answer down over here as a solution set. So, x1, y1, x2, and y2. Right, what was x1? x1 was minus 0.9. Let's write it slightly further down. x1 equals minus 0.9. And what was this? What was this corresponding y value? So y1 was equal to, what was it?
2.9.
2.9. There you go. That's one solution set. One set of answers. Are you happy with that, Seth? Get that? The second solution set was that one over there. And we said the x2 value was
2.9.
2.9. And we said this, its corresponding y value was
Minus 0.9.
minus 0.9. Okay. Are we happy with those values, folks?